MI, a brand from the Chinese manufacturer Xiaomi, is not only limited to smartphones or electronic gadgets anymore. Now they are making many more lifestyle products. A few days back they had launched their Mi Roller Ballpen into China, and the same is now available in India. In this video we will be doing the unboxing and review for the Mi Roller Ballpen, and I will be also comparing the same with some other roller ballpen. My name is Oni and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Oni Online. This is the box pack of the Mi Roller Ballpen. Without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So this is how the box pack of Mi Roller Ballpen looks like. The packaging, you can see it's very minimalistic. In the front side, as you can see, there is only a picture of the Mi Roller Ballpen. On the rear side, some information is given. The MRP of the Mi Roller Ballpen is rupees 299 only, as you can see. And the pen has been manufactured in China, as you can see over here. Let's open the box up and let's see what do we get inside the box pack. So, there is only the Mi Roller Ballpen, as you can see, and there is nothing else inside the box, as you can see. And yeah, this is the pen. So here you have the clip, as you can see, and on the top it looks like a LED bulb is there, but there is nothing. It's just for the aesthetic purpose, as you can see, and you just need to twist the head in order to open the pen for writing. As you can see, the tip is protected, as you can see, with this, and we just need to remove in order to start writing. So let me just remove it. Yes, the build quality of the pen is very good and it feels really premium when you hold it in your hand. And here you have the clip, though it looks like aluminum, but basically it's a plastic one, as you can see. And here you have the Mi emblem on the clip, as you can see. The pen is a bit heavier than any other normal pens. Now let's write something. Though my handwriting is very bad, but still I am trying to write something. The pen is running really very smooth, as you can see. Let me write something more. The pen is really running very smooth, as you can see. Now let's see how is the inside of the pen. To open the pen or the barrel, you just need to twist it like this, as you can see. And so this is the refill, and you have the Mi logo over here. The inner part of the barrel is made of stainless steel, and that is why it's a bit heavy in weight. The upper portion of the pen is also made of metal, as you can see, and I think this is made of brush, as you can see over here. We have another roller ball pen. This is Uni Jetstream 101, as you can see, and this is from Mitsubishi pencils. As you can see, the Mitsubishi pencil is written over here, and this is a very lightweight pen, as you can see, though it doesn't feel that premium, but it comes with a very nice rubber grip over here, and this really helps you while writing. And let's write something with this pen now. So I am writing this. This is also running very smooth, as you can see, and I feel this is slightly smoother than the Mi Roller Ball Pen. Personally, I think the writing experience with this pen is much better than this Mi Roller Ball Pen. The price of Mi Roller Ball Pen is rupees 179, and while this Mitsubishi comes for only rupees 40. So the price is just 1/4 of the Mi Roller Ball Pen, but the writing quality is really better in this, and these grips really prevent the slipping of pen from your fingers. So you have seen both the pens. The Mi Roller Ball Pen is really overpriced. A pen priced at rupees 179 is really not affordable by an average Indian or a school or college student. Also, the pen is a bit heavy in weight, and which may be a problem while writing for a longer duration. And the Uni Jetstream 101 is a really lightweight pen, and the writing quality of the pen is really very good, and this is even smoother than the Mi Roller Ball Pen. Also, this comes with this nice rubber grip, which really helps while writing. This really prevents slipping of pen from your fingers. This is a product from Japan, and this is a product from China. So obviously this one is having a better quality. The white color of the pen is one of its cons, as the white color really tends to get dirty very quickly. Another big con in this pen is its refill. You cannot find a refill for this pen very easily. I tried to find some refill and a few of them was available at eBay, but the refill were costing anywhere between 300 to 400. So at that cost you can buy 2 new pens. So there is no point in buying that expensive refills. The pen may be a good option for those people who like to use expensive pens like Parker or Pierre Cardin or something. But if you are a student and if you write a lot, then this is not for you. Instead, you can go for this, which is having a very good writing quality at a very lower cost. This costs only rupees 40, and which is really 1/4 of this one. And you can also find a refill for the pen very easily at any retail store. Although this pen is also having a good writing quality, but this is not really as smooth as this one. So this was a quick unboxing and review for the Mi Roller Ballpen. If you have any question, please do let me know through the YouTube comment section below, or you can ask me directly through my Facebook or Twitter handle. If you have liked this video, please do hit the like button below. Also don't forget to share this video. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. So that's all for this video. Signing off. This is Oni, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.